Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make bricks in SolidWorks. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File, click New, and click Part and click OK. Now go to select the plane, select the top plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle to from origin and give the dimension 90 and this line dimension 190. Now go to feature and extrude. Now select here 90. Okay. Now go to here plane white and select this face and sketch. Now draw the rectangle to here. This line and this line distance 10 and this line and this line distance 10. Now go to feature and extrude cut. Now select here below 5. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the center line. Now draw the hair center line. Make the center line. You can here give the dimension as you wish. No need. 25. Now go to text and select center line. Now here get. Now go to use document font. Now here select bold and give the value 70 as you wish. Now select here gap distance. Okay. Now go to here and exit. Now select wrap tools and select here. Now give the extrude here 1 as you wish. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now select here materials. Select bricks. Stone select. And here select bricks. Fire bricks select as you wish. Now you can color the CAD. Wrap select and give the color below. Color select. Okay. Okay. Go to isometric view. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box.